Good morning. Let's do my skincare. We're not going to double cleanse. We're just going to do a gentle hydrating cleanser just to take the night off. Starting with acwell for brightening. Dermaline PDRN, 4 pumps. Serapeptides. Press that in. Bringing back an oldie but a goodie, the Medicube PDRN Pink Niacinamide Milky Toner. I love this stuff. Very thick and rich. Press it in. Azelaic acid. Let's continue. Hyaluronic acid. And back this banger. Medicube's Pink PDRN Peptide Serum. It's so good. Keeping it simple. Hyaluronic acid and ceramides. Okay, so that's on. I look so tired, oh my gosh. But I'm going to give this a try. It was gifted to me and it's like a spot treatment. So it says to let it dry completely before I use anything else. So I'm going to put it on and wait till it dries. And then I'll do my, I don't know. And then I'll do my sunscreen, I guess. We'll wait for that to dry. While that dries, I'm gonna